Instant payment and reward apps usually doesn't mean money hits your bank the second you finish a task. It usually means rewards are credited immediately, while actual cash out still depends on processing rules. By the end of this, you'll know 5 types of reward apps that offer the fastest payout systems, how instant really works in each one, and what usually delays actual money transfer even when earnings show up right away. Start with what instant actually means. Most apps separate earning time from withdrawal time. You earn instantly, but cash out later. So speed depends on system design, not just effort. First category is instant survey reward apps. These apps credit points immediately after survey completion, but you still need to reach a minimum balance before withdrawal becomes possible. Second category is instant offer wall apps. These platforms often show quick crediting after installing apps or completing tasks, but verification can delay final approval in some cases. Third category is gaming reward apps with instant milestone credit. These apps give immediate points for reaching in-game milestones, but payout eligibility still depends on account verification. Fourth category is cashback apps with real-time tracking. These apps can show instant purchase tracking, which feels like instant earnings, even though actual cashback confirmation can take longer. Fifth category is microtask apps with fast approval systems. These platforms often approve simple tasks quickly, but payout still depends on batch processing schedules. Now here's what actually controls whether money feels instant or delayed. Verification checks are the biggest factor. Apps verify activity to prevent fraud before releasing funds. Withdrawal thresholds also matter. Even instant earnings don't matter if you haven't reached the minimum cash out level. And payout method affects speed. Digital wallets are usually faster than bank transfers, but still not truly immediate. So instant pay is mostly about speed of earning credit, not speed of receiving money. Summary: instant reward apps rely on surveys, offers, gaming milestones, cashback tracking, and microtasks. Real payout speed depends on verification, withdrawal limits, and payment methods. Instant is mostly about perception, not final transfer speed. Next step: test one instant credit reward app and track the exact time between earning points and receiving your first actual withdrawal. Like and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of apps that actually pay without hype or unrealistic earning claims.